Partnering with the NIHR for Covance is absolutely critical. For the last 4 years it's something I've really concentrated on because we can see the benefits. We started off just making sure as many of our studies were on the portfolio as possible. Now all our studies go on, they're eligible. We use them as much as possible for site identification and early feasibility because getting the right sites in the right places is so critical for the study running well thereafter. And after that, throughout the recruitment period, we continue to work closely. And it's not limited to those activities. We do use a whole range of additional support that we get from your colleagues.
So what does partnering with the NIHR mean to us? You know, as an industry, as a CRO industry, we need partnerships, we need to work in networks where we can gain access to patients. You know, we're bringing drugs through the development cycle for our customers, getting access to patients through site networks, whether they be a private network or a network that's instituted and coordinated by a government authority is key for us because it's about access. And it's not just bringing a trial to a site, it's knowing those sites are engaged, knowing those sites are aligned, and knowing that they can bring patients that are relevant, going to meet the inclusion/exclusion to the trial. The NIHR does a great job of that. We've worked with them over the last 5 or 6 years as an organisation, and I think we've seen great development in the UK as a kind of clinical trials marketplace since then. So it's been very important for us.
As industry, it's incredibly important that we have partners in clinical research, and the NIHR is one of our key partners. A really important aspect of partnership is ongoing communication, and that's what we do with that NIHR. We have ongoing communication to continuously improve the clinical research environment in the UK.
Partnering with the NIHR when it's working really well enables us to unpick difficult operational issues that can occur within trials and within sites, and that potentially adds real value to the work that we do and the success of our trials.